In this video, I'll teach you how to create realistic images using ChatGPT on your phone. If you want to generate a realistic image, you need a prompt. You have to give ChatGPT enough information to create a realistic image of a person. The more specific you are, the more realistic the result. Before you create any prompt, ask yourself, who or what do you want in the image? What are they doing? How many people are in the image? If you don't know how to create prompts for generating realistic images, just follow this formula. A good formula for creative prompt for generating realistic images is subject plus appearance plus expression plus clothing plus environment plus lighting plus camera plus photography style plus quality details. A subject in a generated image is the main focus of the image. It is the person, animal or object you want present in the image. For instance, just writing a man only as a prompt isn't enough. You have to be specific about what you want as your subject. A very good subject in your prompt can be a 32-year-old Nigerian businessman standing confidently in his office. When constructing your subjects for your prompt, you have to think of things like age, gender, occupation, nationality or ethnicity, body type, and the action they are performing. Appearance. This answers the question, what does the person look like? This is where you describe the person's physical appearance. When crafting appearance in the prompt, you have to include the complexion and texture of the subject's skin, their shape of face, color and shape of their eyes, their hairstyle and the color of their hair, and other facial features. A very good prompt that describes the appearance of a subject is: he has rich dark brown skin with natural texture, short neatly trimmed afro hair, dark brown almond shaped eyes, thick eyebrows, a well groomed beard, high cheekbone, a strong jawline, and a warm approachable smile. Expression. This answers the question, what expression is the subject displaying? It tells ChatGPT what emotion should be visible on the face of the subject and also the body language of the subject. Instead of just writing smiling only as your prompt, write is wearing a calm, confident smile while maintaining direct eye contact with the camera, conveying professionalism and approachability. Clothing. This answers the question, what is the subject wearing? You have to describe what your subject is wearing. A very good prompt that describes the clothing of the subject is: he is dressed in a tailored navy blue business suit with a crisp white dress shirt, no ties, polished black leather shoe, a silver wristwatch, and a folded white pocket square. Environment. This answers the question, where is the photo taken? In other words, what is the background of the image? A very good prompt for this is: he is standing inside a spacious, modern executive office with floor to ceiling window overlooking the Lagos skyline. The office features a wooden desk, a sleek laptop, indoor plants, bookshelf filled with business books, minimalistic contemporary furniture. Lighting. This answers the question, how is the scene illuminated? Lighting is one of the biggest differences between an amateur photo and a professional one. A very good prompt for this is: soft morning sunlight stream through the large office window, gently illuminating his face while creating subtle natural shadow that add depth and realism. Camera. This tells the AI how the photographer captured the photo. When constructing a prompt for a realistic image, include lens, camera angle, focus and distance. A very good prompt that describes this is: capture with a professional full frame DSLR camera using an 85 mm portrait lens at eye level with a shallow depth of field that softly blurs the background while keeping the subject perfectly sharp. Photography style. This answers the question, what kind of photography is this? A very good prompt that describes this is: professional corporate editorial photography suitable for a business magazine cover or leading executive profile. Quality details. This answers the question, how polished should the final image be? These are the finishing touches. Since our goal is to create a realistic image, we have to explain what makes the subject and the image itself realistic. A very good prompt for this is photorealistic, high ultra resolution, realistic skin texture with visible pores, natural color grading, balanced exposure, crisp details, sharp focus, high dynamic range, subtle reflection, and professional retouching that preserves natural imperfection. Now let's add everything together. We will have this excellent prompt that will create our realistic image of a Nigerian businessman. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video has helped you, kindly give it a like and subscribe.